Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Fanny. Make sure you guys subscribe down below. I'm so excited to film this video. I've actually waited 4 days to film this video just because, I don't know, I just wanted to wait. So I'm super excited to show you guys that I bought the EXOCOSMETICS PR package. I'm such a big EXO fan, like big fan since she started. So I opened it the day I received it, but I didn't open the palette. So this is my very first time. This is my first reaction on opening the palette. I saw the brushes. I haven't grabbed them just because I wanted to wait till this video, but yeah, let's get started. So this is the box and I love the pink tones. I don't know if you guys can see, it says EXOCOSMETICS right here. But this is the box and it's pretty big. You guys can see it there. It's pretty big. I love this pink tone. So yeah, so this is how it looks when you open it. So it's very sturdy. I love that it is, and I love the color because it's pink and I love pink. And then it's like magnetic right here, and then you open it up and her gorgeous face is right there. Oh, she's so beautiful. I love her so much. And then you guys can see the brushes and then the palette right here, which again, I haven't opened it. This is my first time that I open it, but you guys can see how pretty this is. So again, it has 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15 brushes. So and it has like a variety of brushes. It has like the big brushes and then the smaller brushes like for eyeshadow, and then the big ones for like foundation or just your powder. But I just love it. I love the colors. I love that it's pink. Everything's pink. So this is I'm gonna show you guys everything. So all the brushes, and then I'm gonna open the palette, which is my first time opening it, like I said. But this is the this is a 101. You guys can see it's a 101, and it's this like bigger brush, and it's very soft, guys. Like it's super soft. I'm not kidding. I love it, and I love that it's white, and then it has this like, I don't know, it's like a brown tone. Super soft. Do you guys see that? I don't want to touch it that much because I'm gonna be putting this on my face, but. This is the 101 brush, and then you have this other brush, which is like a curved brush. You can probably use this for like bronzer or even blush. I like to use these brushes for blush. And this is a 102. Look how cute this is. And then this is a 103. I would probably use this one for bronzer, because it's just like a thinner brush. It's angled and it's thinner, so when you apply your bronzer, it'll probably apply it better than this one. I would probably use this for like blush, but you can use it for whatever you prefer. So this is 103, and it's just so pretty. Look at that. Oh. And then you get a smaller one, a smaller angle brush. You can use this probably like to contour your nose. This is a 104. Look how pretty. So cute. Can't wait. And then the rest are like eyeshadow brushes. This is 105. And then this is big blending brush. You can use this for, I would probably use this for like highlight. But again, it's your preference, whatever you prefer. I love this, and I love that it's white. So she did do like a mixture of like these that are like a two-tone, like white with brown, or yeah, brown. And then she did these that are all white. And then this is 106. And then you get this other blending brush for eyeshadow. This is a smaller one, and this is 107. And then you get this white one. this is a 108. And all of them are super cute and tiny. And then this is more of a flat brush. So you can see it's like a flatter brush. And this is 109. How pretty this is. I cannot wait to use them. I'll probably film a video maybe using them. If you guys want to, I can. So that you guys can see how they apply on me. I'm not using any of her, I haven't used any of her products or her palette. Again, this is the first time that I opened the palette. And I already saw the brushes, but not like this close. This is 110. It's this like bigger flat brush. This is a flat brush. You can probably use this for like concealer or maybe to apply shimmer. So it's very flat, and this is 111. See, you guys can see how thin it is. And then this is another brush. It's a 112. And I'm gonna check right now the website to see if like she has on there like what they're for, but I mean it's your preference. If you want to use them however you want to use them, you can. This is a smaller flat brush. This is 113. So you can see it's super thin. This one I love because it's like a little spoolie on this end, and then you get an angle flat brush on this end, and this is 114. 114. So you can use this like to brush your eyebrows, your mascara. I have a mirror right there, that's why I'm looking that way. But yeah, this is cute, and I love that it's not like super flat, the spoolie side. And then lastly, you get this smaller round brush. And this is 115. So yeah, these are all the brushes. I love them. I cannot wait to start using them with this palette, with my other palettes. So yeah, let's open the palette. This is my first time again. This is what the packaging looks like. So in the back, she has all the names, and then she also has the ingredients with other info. I really haven't, so I'm super excited. You can see that I haven't opened it. You can see. Okay, so this is how it looks. You guys can see. That's the back. So it's exactly the same that was in the box. So let's open it up. This is how it looks, and you guys can see all the shadow colors, tones. I love them. It's very her, based on like, you know, what she likes. I love that. And it's really good tones like for fall, especially since fall is coming. You're gonna be able to use all these tones. Even if fall wasn't right around the corner, you can still use these tones because, you know, everybody loves some browns, some dark colors. So yeah, I love them. So I'm gonna swatch them so you guys can see. So I'm gonna swatch this one first. So let me show you guys. I'm gonna have to put up my sleeve so you guys can see. I'm gonna be going like this, okay? So this first one is Loyal, okay? So this is how it looks and then I'm gonna swatch it. Oh wow. Oh wow, it applies really good. Can you see? Oh wow. Okay. I love it. I love it. I can't wait to use this one. You can use this like as a base. The second one is Baby Cakes, which is gonna be this one right here. It's like a pink tone. That's how it looks. Let's swatch it. Ooh, that's cute. I love the pink. So if you want it maybe a little bit darker, you probably have to apply. You can build it up, but it's actually very soft and pigmented. Look at that. Wow. Oh, I just love them. So cute. So it's like a shimmer, which I love because, you know, it's always nice to have shimmer. So let's do it here. Oh my god, that looks amazing. Wow. Oh, I love that tone. Oh my god, I want to check out. I love that one. So, and this one right here is Girl Power. I love this one. Honestly, it's super pigmented. Oh wow, I love that one. I love this one. Oh my god, I love it. And it just goes on super smooth. I cannot wait to play around with this palette. This one right here, and that's 91. I'm gonna use this one. Look how pigmented that is. Do you guys see that? So let's swatch it here. I love this tone. Look at that. Oh my god. And you can build it up so that's one layer. Let's put another one. It's darker. Oh, it's so pretty. Here is Boss. I love this tone right here. Okay, let's see. Ooh, look at this. Oh wow, I love it because it's like a nice like brown color. Oh, I love it. And then you can build it up and add more. Wow, I love it. Here, this is another shimmer color, and this is 209. So let's do this one. I love this one. Wow, look how cute. So let's just do it here. Oh wow, do you see that? Oh my god, super shimmery. Oh wow, I love that tone. Oh my god. Okay, and then we're gonna swatch Ride or Die, which is this one right here. And I love all the browns. Like, she always says she loves like her brown, her neutrals. Of course I know that. So this one, let me do it again. So you can build up if you want like a darker look. Look how pretty that is. Wow. And this one that's Leo. Into this is. So little might go a long way. Oh wow, yeah, like that. Look how pretty. I can't wait to play around with this palette and just create some looks. Honestly, I love her so much. She's so amazing. She's so talented. She's been my favorite for years. But yeah, guys, so basically, I just wanted to share with you guys this amazing PR package that she came out with her new line, EXOCOSMETICS. I'm sure she's gonna come out with so much more, but this was just something that I wanted to buy and get like the whole PR experience. I didn't want to get everything individually, but I'm so happy for her and I'm so excited to create some amazing looks with these. And yeah, guys, so that's basically it. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. I know it's a quick video. I just wanted to share with you guys my favorite YouTuber of all time and then her new EXOCOSMETICS line. So if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe and let me know if you guys got your hands on her new palette and her brushes. I'm excited to hear. So yeah, anyways, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys next time. Bye.